How's it going, guys? Dylan again, coming from you underneath the house. I just got everything set up. I have my 90 to my 22 to match the angle going back to the sewer line, coming from our open gate valve. Now, right now, I'm just gluing it all up with our ABS compound glue. Create that chemical seal so you get no leakage. Oh, no.
Not enough.
Alright, guys, we had a little problem right here on our 22. From the 90 to the 22, it didn't connect fully. It wasn't long enough, the coupling piece. So we made a quick cut on this section of the main going to the sewage line. Cut her a little section out, coupled her up. Now we're all sealed, so anytime you open and close that gate valve, when you open it, all the water coming from the shower will release and go straight to the sewer. We have our air valve for any toxic gases coming back up. And once you close it, all any water coming from the shower will go straight to the gray water for the landscape.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a gray water system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.